Remove the two bottom screws using a screwdriver. Then remove the border frames of the panel on both sides. Afterwards, remove the two screws on each side that secure the panel. Now, remove the panel by pulling it outwards gently. Disconnect all the cables from the panel. Remove the 4 screws securing the radio. Unplug all the cables after taking out the radio. Now, wiring introduction for the Land Cruiser FJ. This is a GPS antenna. This is a rear view camera video input cable. It must be connected to the device. Even if you don't have or use backup camera, this cable needs to be connected. This cable helps with the quality of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This is a RCA cable. The RCA cable comes with cooling fan, subwoofer output cable, and AUX output cable. These two USB cables are used to plug into the radio's 4-pin and 6-pin ports, and can be used to connect a USB flash drive. The external protocol cable is connected to the radio's 8-pin port. Make sure that 20-pin CAN bus cable is properly connected to the car's radio panel. Otherwise, a faulty CAN bus connection can cause the air conditioning and steering wheel controls to malfunction. To use the AUX input in your car, you need to connect the RCA audio cable. Otherwise, the AUX function won't work. This is a power cable. If your car does not come with a JBL sound system, use these 3 plugs. If your car comes with JBL sound system, use these 2 plugs. Let's discuss the wiring connections for the air conditioner panel. Remove the screws. Unplug gently. Now there's a latch lock on the air conditioning panel cable, which needs to be disconnected before unplugging. Before inserting the cable into the new device's board, make sure to disconnect the connector latch. Press down firmly to securely connect the latch. The car's air conditioning control panel should be secured to the car's radio frame. When reassembling, make sure the circuit board is securely fixed in its slot. Red circled wiring harness plugs into the red circled socket. Yellow circled wiring harness plugs into yellow circled socket. Connect the blue wire to the brown reverse control wire in the power cord. Once the reverse wiring connection is safely done, there are 2 possible wiring methods. Method 1 will connect the red and black wires of the camera to the positive and negative poles of the OEM reverse light, as shown in the picture. The OEM reverse light is orange, red, and white. Method 2. Plug the OBD cable into the 2-pin black connector on the CAN bus. When using method 2, the red and black wires of the rear view camera do not require any connection. As the last step, insert the emergency warning light plug into the existing air conditioning panel as shown in the image. Using car disassembly tools, pry open the screw cover, unscrew the screws and remove the rear door panel. As shown in the video, to install the camera using method 1, you will need to connect the camera's power supply to the positive and negative terminals of the reverse light. We recommend that entire wire being arranged in this manner. To install the camera using method 2, there is no need to remove the reverse light. We recommend that when installing a reverse camera, the wiring is arranged from the rear of the car to the front.